Hey guys, Mike with NRGcreativ. Really busy today in the shop. Got a lot of orders to fill, especially these CF Moto snorkels have really taken off. But I want to talk to you guys about the Seadoo stuff. I know even in Florida here, it's not riding weather yet. Some diehards are still out there. I still make it out there, not as much as I usually do because it is cold on my old bones. But listen, guys, be prepared. So I'm going to give you guys right now through the 15th of the month. So it'll be the day after Valentine's Day. I'm going to offer free domestic shipping. So all of your items, this is the hottest thing out there right now. This is the new front mount. Guys, it's absolutely incredible. It is seriously unmatched in the market. This gets some of the most stable video from any of the front mounts that I've ever done. Of course, I've still got the version 2, I guess you would call it. Those are extremely well as all. The only difference between the two is you can use an aftermarket selfie stick with this, and you have to use my selfie stick with this one. But it does come as a set. It comes as a match set, so there's nothing else you need to buy. It's ready to roll. But anyway, guys, free shipping. You're going to have to enter a code, free ship. All one word. I'll put that up here, free ship. And that will get you free domestic shipping in the U.S. only until through the 15th of the month. So, guys, get ready. When it's ready to go out, you'll be ready. Get your camera mounts, not only the front mounts, but all the other mounts that I have. I've got something for everybody depending on your budget, your needs, the angle you want, and so on. NRGcreativ.com, guys. Go ahead, get it done. Get ready. Let's have some fun.